would say it's really three things. Our total audience framework really underpins all of this and drives this. So if you start on the content side, we wanted to be able to give flexibility as kind of the linear ad model starts to become more flexible even on television, to go from linear to targetable. And so we wanted to be able to add up all the eyeballs, if you will, and the people very accurately in a cross-platform way, in a comparable way, that enables both marketers as well as the content owners to see the same data set. You know, television has worked very well because everyone has this access to the same numbers. And so our total content ratings allows you to go beyond kind of the business rules that underpin the advertising metric for television today, C3, C7, and it adds up all of that television viewing out to day 35 for DVR, VOD for as long as that asset is out there, and then all the digital viewing. But the key thing is it's doing it in a very comparable way, and it's bringing a common language to that data set. And then the second thing on the total ad rating side, you know, we're basically expanding our total ad ratings not only from a coverage standpoint, but also from a granularity and capability standpoint. So if you think about, you know, the importance of ensuring that, to Cheryl's question, that you reached that person with understanding of the viewability and the fraud incorporated in with high quality age, gender, demographics that marketers can depend and count on. And then you have the right in which to take it that step further, in which to understand that ROI or the resonance or the reaction or any kind of secondary guarantee that you might want to do. And then lastly, with our acquisition of Exalate, you know, we believe that we're enabling both marketers as well as publishers. So we don't see it as a one or other. We see it as, once again, a common platform that the industry can leverage in which to basically drive efficiency out into the marketplace. And really the goal is to drive, you know, the ability for the marketer to reach that audience with accuracy and less waste.
So you're laying out, it seems like it's a three-step technical process. Step number one is asking how many people saw this across many different things. Question number two is, who were those people?
Yep.
Demographically, psychographically, potentially individually, anonymously individually. And step three, what did they then do?
Yep.
What happened afterwards? We're basically saying, though, that is sequential. You can't answer those other questions. You have to answer them in order. How many?
How many, how often, how long, right? Marketers want to know with confidence who they reached. Because if you just kind of slap on big data on top of that without really having confidence in who you reach, then I'm not certain you know exactly the correlation to sales lift. I guess you could make some grand assumptions, but you know, I think we all know what assumptions do for all of us.